360 LED. Today we will introduce CN360 LED D-Series LED headlight replacement bulb.
CN360 LED D-Series LED headlight replacement bulb adopted two pieces of customized LED chip, which are specially designed for this series, which can produce the focus hotspot and wider light beam pattern. This series LED replacement bulb can generate 4,200 lumen per bulb with 6,000 Kelvin color temperature. This series LED bulb equipped with turbine fan, copper and aluminum to make sure this bulb can provide the stable and longer lifespan performance. Fastest heat dissipation through the turbine fan and full aluminum design. Copper makes sure the heat conductivity. This series LED bulb perfectly replaces factory Xenon bulb without changing any wiring. Plug and play with the factory ballast. Approved with IP65. No need to worry about the water or dust issue. Here are the D-Series LED headlight product parameters. Thanks for your attention, and more details, welcome to click to www.cn360led.com. Thank you.